Kitty Chef tied her polka dot apron and flicked her whiskers excitedly. Today was the day she would bake the most perfect cake. Flour, sugar, and eggs lined the counter as she measured each ingredient with care. But oh no, her playful kitten assistant, Muffin, kept pouncing on the butter. Kitty Chef giggled, shooing him away. She whisked the batter until it was silky smooth, then poured it into a heart-shaped pan. The oven hummed as the sweet scent of vanilla filled the kitchen. Just as she pulled out the golden